Hello guys, today I would like to share with you what I use as a LightBox. This is a DIY and this here I have the Shadowbox that I got from Amazon. So this is what I currently use to trace my drawings, to transfer them from my sketch paper to a better drawing paper. So this is just a Shadowbox. It opens. It has very heavy duty magnets here. Sometimes it's very hard to open up. Here are the LED lights, and they're just touch lights, and they're very bright. This as well you can get on Amazon, and they came with 4 in a pack here. And here they just is 3 batteries. 3 AAA batteries here, and I got these as well on Amazon. I use rechargeable batteries, so you just put them, you just put those in, of course, and it just slides on. I think I got it on backwards. Yeah, it just slides on, and there, it's a very bright light. I only have 4. Of course, you can get many more if you want to fill out the whole section. The whole area. But I choose to just have the 4. It's bright enough. And if I need light in any other area, I just move the light over. So, this is what I use. And I'll put up, here how much this is from Amazon, how much these were from Amazon, and as well as the batteries. I'll also put that up as well, so you can see how much everything cost. And I know I'm going to get some comments about, Judy, why did you spend that much money when you can just buy a LightBox for cheaper than all of this combined? And, at the time when I brought this about 2016. I wasn't that familiar with LightBoxes, and the LED LightBoxes, and I think now, after having this, I think I do want to go and get a real LightBox. So this is the current one that I'm looking into getting. But for right now, this works pretty good. So I'm going to stick with this for now, and then probably upgrade to the real LightBox. But that's me. I just like DIYs. I love it. Like, that's just my flow. I love do-it-yourselves. They're so fun. So I'm gonna do a drawing. I'm gonna transfer a drawing onto a paper so you can see how that looks and how I use this. So stay tuned. This piece is inspired by my favorite holiday, Halloween. I absolutely adore Halloween, and we need more excuses to dress up. Like, it's only one, as an adult, it's only like one holiday that you get to dress up. And I love being in costume. It's so cool to play a part. It's so nice to be kind of out of yourself and to be a kid at heart again. So we definitely need more excuses to dress up. So since Halloween is my favorite, I chose to do this tree that's holding a giant pumpkin. I thought it kind of had a nice little feel to it. It's just something kind of, I guess, a little haunting about it, and wondering, I guess, how the pumpkin got that big. The tree is kind of old looking, and it's just barren, and it's just holding this giant pumpkin, and look like something that would be like in a fantasy tale, or you know, something like Tim Burton or something. About this is that you can also use this for storage. You can keep your charger in here for your batteries, your tape for taking down your pictures, your pencils. Of course, I have a variety of different pencils here that I like to use, and of course, your eraser. You can't get that with the LED LightBox, so that's when I still do like this, and it comes in handy. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and have a good day.